was full of questions, and my eyes were filled with tears. You were standing right beside me through the hardest of my years. I was searching for a reason, I was looking for a way. Then your love became the answer, like the light of a new day.
You have seen my every struggle, you have known my every pain, but your mercy kept me breathing, and your grace removed the rain.
You are my hope, you are my healer, you are the song my soul will sing. Every moment, every heartbeat, I will praise my Savior King. In your hands I am free, your love is all I need. Through the valleys and the mountains, you are walking here with me. Jesus, you are my forever, my beginning and my end. You are my strength and my comfort, my Savior and my friend.
When the world is full of darkness and the road is hard to see, your promise shines like a fire, bringing hope and peace to me. Every blessing, every miracle, every breath that I receive is a reminder of your kindness and the love that I believe.
Raise your voices, sing His glory, let the heavens hear our praise. For His love is never ending, and His light will guide our days. No fear can ever hold us, no storm can take our faith. For the arms of our Creator will forever keep us safe. In your hands I am free, your love is all I need. Through the valleys and the mountains, you are walking here with me. Jesus, you are my forever, my beginning and my end. You are my strength and my comfort, my Savior and my friend. I will sing about your kindness, I will tell the world your name. For your love has changed my story, and my heart will never be the same.